My dear student, after a long interval, I am in front of you. Since Corona lockdown is in India, in the world also, we are facing great problem. You have a difficulty to study, but this is time when you should stay your home, and you all have try your level best to improve your weaknesses, especially those students who are weak in suppose English. They have to work hard in English word meaning. They can take English word meaning from newspapers, from English textbook, or the subject which are written in English. They have to work hard to improve their English word meaning. If your English is improved because your medium of study is English, you have to know all about English. Suppose those students who are very weak in maths, they have to work hard in the basic maths. Especially they have to work hard in the formula. They have to work hard in those part of the math, especially numbers. You can say, suppose you want to improve your math, then you have to regularly exercise the math. Suppose any student have difficulty in math solving, they have to go through the concept, theorems, formula, and they must have regularly by heart them. And those students who are very weak in science, they have to go through the textbook. And there is different method used by the student and teachers how to read science so that they can easily grasp the concept of science. So I have also some concept which are I used in my life, and for a small study, for a small duration, we have keep our you can say academic record very well by short term study. In science, you have to divide any chapter 2 or 3 parts. Suppose you are going to study any chapter of science, you have to take 2 or 3 topics. When you are taking 2 or 3 topics, then you must have go through 2 or 3 times for that topic only, and then go through my video lectures which I am giving to you. If you should feel any difficulty in the study, you can go through my video lecture. First of all, you have to study those topics from the textbook, and after then go through the video lectures. I will be uploading some videos lectures after, you can say, on 26th of April 2020 on occasion of Akshaya Tritiya. In this video lectures, we will upload all those lectures respectively and related to all subjects. Suppose, and that topic and that subject is from class 8, class 9, class 10th English medium, as well as 11th, 12th commerce. We want to say you that if you are going to see my video lectures, you have to subscribe my channel. I have given through the WhatsApp the link. Go through the link and subscribe my channel, and after subscription you will get notification regularly when we upload my lectures. All the related topics, all the related subjects which you are going to study in upcoming session. Corona pandemic, now the world is very widespread. there is no chances that pandemic may be wiped up. I think it will take 2 or 3 more years till the vaccine will not come. And after the coming of vaccine, people also feel difficulty because vaccine contain inactive virus. That virus, when inject in our body, after the infection of that virus, suppose coronavirus is getting infected to our body, that inactive form of that virus will active and fight the foreign coronavirus which is coming in our body, and both are destroyed in this fight, and our body keep protected from that virus. So vaccination when come, the only solution of the coronavirus. So I think then you have to feel difficulty in coming 2 or 3 hours. Then we have to change our lifestyle. We have to use gloves. We have to use mask, and we should keep ourselves in such way that we can prevent coronaviruses. So my dear students, I will be uploading my all videos lectures from on 26th of April 2020 on occasion of Akshaya Tritiya. You must have to subscribe my channel so that you can get benefited by our video lectures from class 8, 9, 10, 11th and 12th commerce and science. We are uploading the lectures. So you have to, what you have to do, you must have an Android mobile. You have to recharge them, that mobile. If there is a net, there must be a net charge. If there is a net, then you can use YouTube, because all my videos lectures will be uploaded on only YouTube on my channel. So my dear friends, one thing keep in mind, that you must have a book and copy whenever you see my videos lectures. Are many teachers related to me, they upload their lectures, and I will upload that video lectures on my YouTube. So my dear friend, stay at home, never go out, so that you will be protected from the coronavirus. And this pandemic is very, very dangerous, and you should keep your surrounding clean. And I want to say that you should study properly. You should wipe your weaknesses. You have a plenty of time God given you, so that you can remove your weaknesses. I want to say one more thing, that a student may get good marks whenever he have some important things. You must have a good teachers, you must have a good book, you must have a good mind, and you must have a good parents. If you have a good teachers, then they can explain very well all topics. If you have a good books, all the materials, all the things which are written in the book, you can study very well. If you have a good parents, they cooperate, they provide all things which you needed during the study. And one thing, you must have a good mind, so that what you are studying, what you are reading, all those things grabs in your mind, because mind have a very, very high power to accommodate various things. So my dear students, keep your momentum of study in such a way that you must work hard. You keep your health very, very fine, so that अच्छे शरीर में, अच्छे मस्तिष्क में ही अच्छी बातें निहित होती हैं. That's why you have to keep your health very good, so that you can think and grasp scientifically. My dear student, Whenever lockdown will be open, everything is okay, I will meet you in my classrooms, and before that I upload all lectures free of cost. You have only subscribe my channel. My dear student, all those student which whom you know, you must send the link so that they can subscribe. And one thing more I want to say, that you must have very powerful mind. If everybody have same cranial capacity 3500 cc, it's our approximately cranial capacity, more or less, plus minus. But you know, all students are not similar, they are not performing the same way. Some students are weak, some students are medium, and some students are very intelligent. We are not talking about the intelligent student, we are talking about the weak students and medium student. If they can concentrate on study, they can give the time to study, they can also be intelligent in their subjects. So don't waste your time, it's a very good time for you to remove your weaknesses. So ready for my upcoming videos. Thanks, have a nice day. God